If I told you that the next year of your life could completely change who you are, what you care about, and what you achieve, would you believe me? Kia ora, good morning. My name is Daniel Hulley, and I'm honored to be serving as your deputy head boy this year. Firstly, welcome to the returning students. Welcome back to the Year 9s and new students. Welcome to the castle. Macleans College is more than just a school. It's a place where you can shape your own journey. Whether you're in Year 9, stepping into the unknown, or in Year 13, preparing for your final year here, every single one of you has the opportunity to define what the rest of your time at Macleans will be like. There's something here for everyone, whether you excel in academics, sports, music, drama, debating, service, or leadership. Macleans gives you a chance to push yourself, to explore, and to grow. But the real challenge isn't finding an opportunity, it's having the courage to take it. Too often we hold back because we're afraid of failure, of judgment, or of stepping outside of our comfort zones. But the truth is, the most rewarding experiences come when we take that first step into the unknown. I remember when I first got told I was going to have a tuba lesson. I wasn't sure if I was ready, if I'd ever be good enough, or if I'd succeed. But I took the chance, and in doing so, I've learned more about myself than I could ever have otherwise. My life now revolves around my tuba. I'm a featured soloist in 3 bands, 2 nationally, and I've only been playing for about 2.5 years. Now, I'm not saying that you should all pick up the tuba, it's pretty heavy, but maybe try out for that Prem basketball team or the debate team. You'll never know what could happen until you find out. I never imagined myself playing any instrument other than the piano, but here we are. The reality is, success isn't about winning or being the best. It's about growth, resilience, and the lessons you take from every experience, no matter the outcome. Look around you. The people sitting beside you will take their own journeys, and each of you has a choice. Will you let this year pass you by, or will you make it count? It's not about being the loudest, the fastest, or the most talented. It's about showing up, putting in the effort, and being willing to take risks. Every house competition, every extracurricular, every challenge is a new door waiting to be opened. So as we stand at the start of this year, I want you to think about what you want to achieve, not just in terms of grades or awards at the end of the year, but in what you want to become. The friendships you build, the confidence you gain, and the memories you create will last far beyond your years here. And that's my challenge to you. Take a chance. Try something new. Join that club, sign up for that team, step onto that stage. At Macleans, opportunities aren't just given to you, you create them. So this year, ask yourself, are you going to create that opportunity? Thank you.
2025, a fresh chapter, a blank page, where a new journey awaits. Good morning all, my name is Greer and it's my absolute privilege to be your Deputy Head Girl for 2025. I hope everyone has had a well-rested break and is ready for the year ahead. A new year means new beginnings and opportunities. Whether you're Year 13, Year 9 or anywhere in between, it's never too late to get involved. This year I urge you all to grasp every opportunity that comes near, leaving you with no regrets. 2025 is the year of participation. Here at Macleans we have over 100 extracurriculars, anything from playing cricket to being an IT monitor or in the backstage makeup team. At the castle you'll find your thing, where your passions will be fulfilled. Our involvement in extracurricular should not be about ticking in a box and saying that we've done one, but for us to gain a deeper social connection and to be well-rounded students. Get out of your comfort zone and immerse yourself into these endless opportunities this year. It's all about participating. The measure of our success this year lies within the power of ourselves. No one can take it from us or do it for us. As Wayne Gretzky once said, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Here's to 2025 being our year. Thank you.
Today, we stand on the precipice of potential. Good morning, my name is Amelia Hu, and it is my absolute honor to be your head girl for 2025. Each year, a senior will tell you that high school goes by much faster than you think, and you'll never truly understand how correct they are until you're a senior yourself. One of the most teachable moments I've experienced actually wasn't in a classroom. In fact, it was standing in front of the 1.8 meter deep end of the Lord Ellesmere pool. With its fluorescent lighting and familiar scent of chlorine, I always despised that moment you have to overcome when you jump into cold water. It's strange how that moment mirrors school and trying new things. Our natural instinct is to avoid discomfort, but without it, we'll never grow. High school is all about learning to embrace those uncomfortable moments, standing on the edge and taking that dive, even when you're uncertain of what lies ahead. Look at it this way. A 19th century Danish philosopher once made the observation that life can only be lived forwards, but can only make sense in reverse. But I think the important message from that is that life is meant to be lived. It's not about making the perfect dive each time, it's about taking that first plunge, then diving in again and again, each time gaining more confidence, more strength, and more understanding. Remember, it is not what you have, but what you do with what you have that makes all the difference. So dive right in, try new things, and even though the water might not be warm, it will truly change your life. Thank you.
E mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Ko Oscar tōku ingoa, and I'm honoured to be your head boy for this year. Year 9s, I'd like to welcome you all once again, and to the rest of the kura, welcome back. A cornerstone that makes Macleans such a unique school is the whānau house system. As you know, Macleans is made up of 8 whānau houses, each unique and special in its own way. It's like a school within a school, and as the year goes on, you should become more familiar with both students and teachers in your whānau house. Your whānau house you're in isn't just a house, it's a home in a small little community that is a safe environment that will guide you to thrive at Macleans. You pretty much get out what you put in, so use this aspect of school life for leadership opportunities and getting involved in house activities. The opportunities are endless, and there's no better place to start than your own whānau house. So put yourself out there, introduce yourself, meet someone new, and get stuck into all the house activities that are on offer throughout the year. It's something you should be proud of as a Macleans College student, being a part of one of these whānau houses. Learn to love school and everything it has to offer, because you never know where you might end up. Ngā mihi.
Thank you.